When it comes to tax preparation, two popular options are Tax and H&R Block. Both services offer a range of features and benefits, but one key difference is the service fee. In this tutorial, we will compare the tax preparation fees of Tax and H&R Block to help you make an informed decision. First, let's look at the tax service. Tax offers a free filing option for simple tax returns, which includes a basic Form 1040 and Schedule A. However, if you have more complex tax needs, such as investments or self-employment income, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. The cost of the paid plan varies depending on the level of service you need, but it typically ranges from $30 to $100. On the other hand, H&R Block offers a range of pricing plans, including a free option for simple tax returns. However, H&R Block's free option is more limited than Tax, and you may need to upgrade to a paid plan if you have dependents or itemized deductions. The cost of H&R Block's paid plans varies depending on the level of service you need, but it typically ranges from $30 to $150. One key difference between Tax and H&R Block is the cost of state tax filing. Tax includes free state tax filing with all of its paid plans, while H&R Block charges an additional fee for state tax filing. This can add an extra $30 to $40 to your total cost. In terms of features and benefits, both Tax and H&R Block offer a range of tools and resources to help you prepare your taxes. Both services offer audit support, import capabilities, and free technical support. However, H&R Block has a more comprehensive range of features, including a tax professional review option and a maximum refund guarantee. To illustrate the difference in fees, let's consider an example. Suppose you are a single person with a simple tax return, including a W-2 and a 1099. You also need to file a state tax return. With Tax, you would pay $30 for the federal tax filing and no additional fee for the state tax filing. With H&R Block, you would pay $30 for the federal tax filing and an additional $30 for the state tax filing, for a total of $60. In conclusion, the choice between Tax and H&R Block depends on your individual tax needs and budget. If you have a simple tax return and want to save money on state tax filing, Tax may be the better option. However, if you have more complex tax needs and want a wider range of features and benefits, H&R Block may be worth the extra cost by considering your options carefully and choosing the service that best meets your needs. You can save money and ensure that your taxes are prepared accurately and efficiently.